Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel was being abandoned for like 3 months now, if I'm not mistaken, and I've been seeing a lot of comments from people who cared so much about me, who want to really know what happened that made me to abandon the channel. And I've been replying the comments. Some reached out to me through WhatsApp, some called me, trying to know so much why I left the channel. Yeah guys, so today I'll be cooking vegetable soup. So as I cook the soup, I will tell you briefly why the channel was abandoned for this long, because a lot of people really care and they want to know why, and I'm here to tell you. So let's go to the bus stop, get all the ingredients for the soup. While I'm buying the ingredients, I'll be telling you why I left the channel for that long. It wasn't intentional to leave the channel that long, but lots of things happen, and sometimes when you have, there is no YouTuber that has never abandoned the channel for long. There is no YouTuber. Sometimes you leave the channel, you go sort out some issues, and then you come back and then you pick from where you stopped. So that was exactly what happened to me. I went to Senegal and so much happened. A lot of bad stuff happened. I lost my phone. A lot of things happen. So I just said to myself, why not just relax, step back and come back. That was exactly what I did. I didn't abandon the channel forever. I wanted to sort out some issues, which is now sorted, not completely but halfway sorted. So now I'm back again to continue vlogging. I will be doing more of cooking at home these days. I will not be traveling as much as I used to, because this niche is about traveling. It's actually about traveling. Yeah. So but I will not be doing traveling for now. I'll be cooking and doing some around the home, around the premises stuffs, for you guys to know that I'm alive. I so much appreciate those of you who cared, who went all mile to call and check on me and ask me if I'm okay and all of that. I so much appreciate you guys. This internet is like a family place for me now. You guys are my family. I don't know how to sugarcoat the English or the words, but yeah, you guys understand. Emotionally, deep down my heart, I really care. So I'll be cooking today. So let me take you guys and show you what I'll be cooking. Vegetable soup. Yeah, that's what I'll be cooking. So without talking too much, guys, let's jump into the process, and make sure you cook yours, and also you comment in the comment sections how yours came out, because I'm going to be using goat meat, vegetable leaves, the ones we call, I don't know how you call it in your language, but I'll be showing the pictures of how everything it is on the camera. And if you follow my process, you're going to cook it exactly the way I cook mine. So guys, let's start the process. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like, you follow for more content, because I'll try my best to be dropping content, not stay away from the channel for that long. Maybe I'll be posting, but not away for this long. I am 4 months. No, I will not be that long. I'll be posting. I'll try my best and be posting. So stay tuned, and let's begin the process. So I'm back from the market, from the bus stop. Actually, not the market. I didn't go to the market, so I went to the bus stop to get all the items that I need for this soup. Okay. Yeah. So this is the goat meat I got for 5,500 naira. Calculate that in your currency. I don't know how much is that in your currency and all of that, but help me to calculate it. So I'm going to add in water, lukewarm water, because the water is not enough for the goat meat. Remember, when you are cooking your meat, make sure you cook it very well so all the germs die. Okay. So in here I have my red oil and my crayfish. Guys, ignore the fly because of all of that. So this is the ogu pumpkin leaf. In here I have the water leaf. I don't know how you call it in your country, but yeah, this is the water leaf. I'm going to cover it because of flies. In here I have the cubes and the salt. This is salt. And here I have the fresh pepper, dry pepper, and crayfish. That is little shrimps. Boil, and then I'll add water. As I add in the ingredients, I will just take you through, and so you can learn how to cook it. In case you have a Nigerian husband, that you can prepare this meal for him, or maybe like a family, or maybe you want to try it yourself. I'll get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Time to add the stockfish. I will let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we add more things like cover it for about 5 minutes or so. That's 5 minutes. You know, cooking is all about step by step, what to put in first before another. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's add in the fish, the pepper, and the salt. Little bit of water to rinse it. Yep, like that. There is no salt inside this meat, so I have to put salt now. I don't know, but I like cooking my food, my meat, without salt. Little bit of salt. I think I'm going to put more salt later as time goes on. But yeah, that is it. Let's just put oil at once, the red oil at once, and cover it for about 10 minutes or so, because we want the oil to done. We want everything to be cooked properly because of germs. Cover it again for 10 minutes. Gas on. Guys, it's after 10 minutes, so let's see what's happening in there. Cooking is all about step by step, adding in what you're supposed to add at the right time. This is cooked nice and slow, very soft. Time to add in the vegetable. I go in with the water leaf first before the pumpkin leaf, because this is very strong when it comes to cooking. It's harder to cook more than the other one. So yeah, I will allow it to boil for 10 more minutes, and then I will go in with the pumpkin leaf. That is how you cook vegetable soup. Very easy process, and so delicious and organic. So organic, so delicious. This is like blood tonic anyway. This soup gives a lot of blood. Let's just rinse this a little bit. Add in the water. There you go. I'm just going to cover it to simmer for another 10 minutes or more. And then we add in this one. And then we let it simmer again for 5 minutes, and then the soup is ready. Meanwhile, it's getting dark, but I will show you the final process of this soup. But it's getting dark. I cannot show you when I'm eating it, but I'll show you the end of everything. Yeah, so I hope you cooked yours and you let me know how it tastes in the comment section. Of course, you can share the meals through the camera, you know. Yeah, so let's wait for it to simmer. Yeah, meanwhile I will put these cubes after 10 minutes. I'll put this. After 10 minutes, that is how it looks like. So let's add in the cubes. Remember this non cubes. I'm just going to add 2 more because I put one before. I'm just going to add it like that and cover it for 5 more minutes again, or 3 minutes like that, and then after another 5 more minutes, let's see how it's going. This is how, oh, I need to remove this because of grease. That's why I covered that thing. Everything on point now. So this is how you should be looking. This is how yours should be looking if you are cooking. So time for us to add the pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin leaves. In goes the pumpkin leaves. Everything goes in. This soup is very, very rich. Very rich. It's like blood tonic. If you've been to the hospital and they tell you you don't have much blood in your body, yeah, you can cook this and it gives you the amount of blood you need in your body. So let's cover it. Meanwhile, let me add a little bit of oil, just a little bit of it, not too much, yeah, something like that. And then I'm going to cover it 5 more minutes, and then we are good to go. Then I will make a bath. And that is the process of cooking the soup, guys. So I think I have to cut the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I miss you all. For those of you who have checked on me on my WhatsApp and you've called and you have been dropping comments in my old videos asking about me, guys, I'm super happy. Thank you so much. And yeah, I think I will try my best and be posting now. Consistency. Sorry, I burned my finger. The pot is so hot. Yeah, so thank you so much for checking on me, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, yeah, I will not go away for long. I know a lot of you like me so much and you love watching my videos, and some people are saying I'm motivating them. I see no motivation that much. I'm blushing anyway, but yeah, you see I motivate you, and I'm super happy for motivating someone out there. You know, traveling is not easy. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not easy, trust me, it's not easy. So but I'm glad if I've motivated you and you pick up your camera and you start doing what I'm doing. I wish you all the best, and I hope you get there someday, although it's not easy, like I said. So without talking too much, I'll see you guys in my video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like, you follow, you share my videos to your loved ones. For the people who love to travel or do what I'm doing, don't give up. Dreams are valid. Yeah. Bye bye.